Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can start a website using Elementor. So as you can see, we have created a fully functional e-commerce store using the Elementor. So it's fully functional and you will be able to change any information at any time you want. So let's start making this awesome website. So in this video, we will be using Bluehost web hosting. It's the best web hosting to get started. And I will be showing you each and every step that how you can purchase Blue hosting and start your e-commerce website. So let's get started by clicking here. And here you can see here are some plans which you can choose. So if you are a beginner and want to start a website, then you should choose the basic one. That's the best package for you. But if you have experience or want to start one or more than one website, then you can go for these plans. But I will suggest you go for the basic one and select here, and here you can select a domain for your website. What is domain name? The domain name is an address for your website where your user can visit and explore your website. For example, google.com, youtube.com, facebook.com, these are all domain names, and you can create your own domain name by typing what you want. So let's suppose we want to search for how to Wi-Fi, and if it isn't available, it will show us some suggestion. Let's see. So as you can see, it's not available for registration, so it's showing some other suggestion which you can choose. So let's suppose we want this one, and here you can see it says howtowifi.org is available. So fill up these details to get started for purchasing your domain name, or you can simply sign in with Google and these details will be filled, but you have to put some details manually like this one, like phone number or state etc. And here are some package information. So basically it's default set up to 36 month, but you can choose for 12 month. And one more thing, if you choose the long duration, you have to pay less. As you can see, if you choose 12 months, you have to pay more, but I'm going with this one. So here is my round cost for 12 month, and here are some package extras. So you can simply uncheck these to tear down your cost, as you can see. And this option is for privacy protection. If you don't want to marketer let your information, then you can simply keep this checked. But if you want to tear down some price like me, you can simply uncheck this and turn it off. And as you can see, our price is cut down, and now you can put some payment information, and after putting all the information, scroll down and check this one and click to submit. As you can see, our payment receipt is here. You can see the amount, and it can vary how you choose your options. If you scroll up, you can create this one, create your account, click here, and here is your domain name already, and you can create a password, and create a password that you remember. Don't try to mix someone that you don't remember. So create a unique and strong password. After putting password, click here, create account. You should verify your email to get started. As you can see, our who is verified. So as you can see, your account is ready to go. Now you can log in. Go to login, and here you put your password. As you can see, it's the beginning of your adventure. So click on create your website, and here you can skip this step. Also skip this step, or if you want to choose your website category, you can choose one. If you are creating a blog, creating an online store, creating a business, creating a portfolio, you can choose one. So let's suppose you are creating a blog or business. maybe blog. And here you can see, are you comfortable with creating website? Skip this step. Here are two options which you can choose to create your WordPress website. So first one is using WordPress website builder and second one is Bluehost website builder. So in the first one you have limitless customization, means you can customize anything. You can customize code, and with this one, if you want to create your website in easy way, you can select this one, but I'm going to use Elementor to get a very awesome template, so I'm going with this one. And here you can simply name your site. So let's name it to how to store, because we are creating an online store. So let's suppose we want to create an online store, so name it to how to store, or maybe how to Wi-Fi. And here you can add a site tagline which will show right here. So let's suppose creates helpful videos. So click next, or you can simply leave that blank if you want. And here are some free plugins which comes right with it, and you can simply uncheck if you don't want, or keep them checked. These plugins help you to perform better. So click next, and this process will take a few minutes, so let's wait for the process to be finished. So here you can see, here is our WordPress admin panel. So here you can customize your website. So first of all, we are going to set a theme for our website. So to use a theme, so I'm going with install a plugin. Click to add new. This plugin will help us to get started, and here you can type extra, and here you will see this one, starter templates. Click on install, and click active. And scroll down and click to see library. Here you have to choose Elementor, and here are some templates which you can choose for your website. So as you remember, we are creating an online store, so I'm going with first of all I'm checking this one and clicking here to choose e-commerce template. So let's suppose we want to choose a template for our website. So let's choose this one, and to choose any template you have to simply click here, import complete site, or you can import a single page if you want, but I'm going to import complete site. So click here, and here you have to select this one. So let's suppose I am going with this one, and for this one, and click next. And here you can skip these, and it will start importing the template to our website. So let's wait for the process to be finished. As you can see, imported successfully. So to visit our site, you have to click here, use site, and here you can see it's completely loaded with all the information, and all the content is here. You can simply see how it looks, and if you want to change the text or images, you can simply click here, add it with Elementor, and here is our template ready to be added. So now you can we print what you want. So here you can type anything you want, welcome to our site, or you can simply change this description as well if you want to. So you can change this image as well, or you want to change the design, you can click here, and as you can see, you can change the size. You can make it medium large, or you can make it large, you can make it thumbnail. So it's changing, so let's keep it as it was before, or you can completely change it. Or let's suppose you want to change this alignment, you want to make this, so completely drag this and you can see it's changed. So if you want to change this image, you can click here and go to choose image, and here are all the images, so you can choose one. I suppose this one, oh sorry, it's already here, so let's choose another, this one. So as you can see, it's changed. So here you can see the cool animation, or if you want to change it you can, or if you want to add hover over it, you can simply click here, edit inner section, go to style, and here you can see here is the image. So now you can choose image, but I'm going with the default one. You can add a background overlay if you want, so I'm going to add blue color with the opacity of, so as you can see it's working. So if you want to add a new section, you can simply click here, and here you can drag widget or click on plus icon and choose the style. I'm going with this one, so it's here, choose a plus, and here you can add a video button or text editor or anything you want. So let's add a WP form. So name it contact form, and it's here, click plus icon and add a map maybe. So as you can see it's here. So if you want to add or if you want to change the logo of the website, you can simply do this, or click on update to save all the changes you have made, and click here, go to site settings, go to site identity, and here you can see here is the logo. You can choose your desired logo. I'm going to upload a new one. So here is the logo. So I have put a logo, and here you can change your site name or site description, but I'm going to keep this as it is. You can preview the changes, you can, or let's refresh the page to see the changes. Here you can see here is our website logo, and here is all the changes we have made. As you can see there is our contact form, and if you want to, now let's go to the admin panel, back again, and go to Bluehost, and here you can see here are some steps which you have to follow, and you have to start with your home page, add contact page. These are some important steps which you can follow, and at the end you can launch your site by clicking here, launch your site, and your site is now live, and you can again restore coming soon page, but now your site is live, so anyone have your site address can now visit your site and can see how it looks. So he can shop, he can view the content, and you can change the content anytime you want. You can add the pages, you can add the products, you can change the products, you can completely change the design as you want. So that's all for now. I hope you liked the video. So subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this. See you in the next video.